Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the iPhone 16 Pro in natural titanium. Now for all you minimalists, this may be the phone for you. I also have the silicone case, so let's get to unboxing. It is the exact same shade of the 15 Pro series from last year that I've been using, and quite honestly, I love it. You can't go wrong. I personally love the new Desert Titanium shade, but if you can't decide, natural titanium might just be the way to go. If you guys are interested in my unboxing and review of the Desert Titanium, click right here. And if you like a little bit more color and spice in your life, you might be into the 16 series. Head over to my channel because I did an unboxing of all the new colors. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!